again in my kitchen, and I already hit my wok. Actually, it's not wok actually. Okay, so according to the last video that I'm making, okay, again I'm going to fry my chicken leg without oil. Okay, so again, for you to make sure that if your wok is ready, okay, just ano yung tubig, tingnan nyo, pagka nagbuhol-buhol na po, if the water is like you know, sulfur like that, meaning is your wok is already hot, ready to put your chicken. Okay, so now I'm going to lower it down the heat. Okay, and I'm going to put the chicken. Okay, for you to make sure that everyone knows, okay, that truly I don't have anything in there. Okay, there's it's nothing in there. There's no oil at all. Okay, now I'm going to put my chicken. So we're going to fry chicken today without oil, because I usually don't use oil in my meat. Even in my chicken, in my fish, there's no oil. Hope na magkasya po itong aking fish fry para hindi na ako mag-oil. Hindi na naman kasya. Maliit na naman yung aking caldero, but it will gonna shrink anyway, so I'm gonna put. Okay, so that's it. Now, second is I'm going to put the lid. Alright, I'm going to cover, but not as in covered. Okay, just little. Alright, so that's what we're going to have. We're going to have fried chicken, and we are going to, I'm not going to use this one, okay, because I'm going to use this for my cake. You're gonna wash my cake because I'm going to bake cake today, but I'll do it with a separate video. But I'm going to do it also today because that's our dessert, chocolate cake. Now I'm going to cook. I'm going to put some water. Yung usok. Okay, I'm going to put some water because I'm going to cook. I'm going to make couscous. Someone ordered couscous, so we're going to cook couscous. Okay. Couscous and vegetables. We're going to have broccoli. I'm going to cook my broccoli without water. Yes, it's steamed vegetables with no water. Okay, we're going to check if the chicken, para hindi po masunog yung ating chicken. Okay, so yan na po yun. Okay, so ibabaliktad na po natin. Okay, yan, nagsisimula ng mag-oil. Okay, so there's nothing in here. I cannot see any oil at all. But there's little bit. Pero hindi pa, mamaya pa siguro. Okay, so we're going to Baliktad natin, okay? Para po maluto. Because I don't want to see any blood. So, I need to make sure na ma-fry po siya na maayos. But, I'm pretty sure because we are putting the lid. Okay? So, that's the reason why I always put the lid on it so that it will be cooked in and out. I should use. Okay, oopsie daisy. I hope. Okay, so we're going to cover it again, but not. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's check my chicken. How it goes. Oh, okay na. Wow. Oil is coming out. Oil is coming out. So, oil is coming out. So, my chicken is getting cooked. Okay? So, okay, sa mga okay, don't, if it is hard to remove, don't, huwag nyo siyang pilitin. Kasi, you're gonna break it. So, if you don't want to, but anyhow, my chicken is, yay! And mabango. This is the beautiful in using salad master cookware because it's really very maganda siyang gamitin. I've been using it almost 4 years from now. Okay, so yeah, it's nice cookware. It's expensive, but it is very good. It is really good to use. Okay, so yeah. Before, I don't enjoy cooking, but when I met Salad Master, I already enjoyed cooking. So that's why every weekend I am the cook in this house. But I love cooking. Okay, so malapit na po matapos. I-brown na lang natin. Cook na siya. Okay, it's already cooked. Yep, but I want it brown. So, i-brown lang po natin. Kasi lumabas na rin yung the oil is coming out already. So, again, I'll tap it. Okay, we're going to check my chicken if they're done. I think they are. They are yummy, yummy in my tummy. They are ready. Okay. Okay. Ayan na. Alright. Ayan na. Balikan natin yung kabila para everything is brown. Okay. Para everything is browny, browny. Yay! That's good. My kitchen is too small, so yeah, makikita niyo po. Okay, maybe 5 minutes more and I'm done. So, I need to okay, so check ulit natin. Ayan na oh, brown na yung mga chicken ko. Okay, so kung makikita ninyo, as in almost no konti lang yung mantika, okay, na lumabas sa chicken natin. So, na-fry talaga natin itong chicken na without oil. So, even though na hindi siya is yung chicken natin, okay, we don't put oil, then we can still fry. So that's the good. Okay, so mag-steam po tayo ng ng gulay, okay? Kasi tapos na po yung, okay, so wala pong tubig yan, okay? Hinugasan ko lang. So mag-steam po tayo ng gulay. Oopsie daisy. Gulay, steam na walang water. Alright? So, yan po yan. Okay. Mag-steam po tayo ng gulay na walang water. Ayan po, in-strain ko na po yan. Okay? Walang water po yan. Na-strain na po yan. Okay? Okay, so nilagay po natin yan, and then we just put the lid on. Okay, just put the lid on. We put the fire on a medium heat. Okay, and then that's it. My couscous is ready. Alright, this is my couscous. Oh no, I think it's overcooked. My couscous is overcooked. Oh no, oh no. It's good thing that I only cook 1 cup, because this one, look at that. The couscous is ready. So we're going to have fried chicken and steamed broccoli and couscous instead of rice. No one wants to eat rice, so that's why. Okay, so i-check po natin yung ating, yay! Yan na po yung outcome ng ating broccoli na steam without water. So, taran! Yan po ang aming pagkain. Yan na po yan. Okay, and that's our lunch. Okay, so yan po. Wala po wala po yung tubig. Okay? So, it's already cooked. I don't want overcooked gulay. So, thank you very much and watching again. And hope na mag-subscribe kayo sa aking channel. Mag-like po kayo and share. Thank you and God bless everyone. Bye-bye! Yan ang ating fried chicken. Yan ang aking broccoli. And yan yung aking couscous. So yan po yung lunch namin.